from the throne of David, prophecy revealed. Crowned in Ethiopia, a king so real. Lineage of Solomon, the records say. Same lineage like Christ, it lived today. He came with wisdom, knowledge to guide. Truth and conviction he never hid. A leader of nations, a man of peace. A voice for justice that never cease. Nuh Dis Selassie I, respect the name. Lineage of Solomon, history proclaim. Nuh Dis Selassie I, the message is clear. Knowledge and wisdom for all who hear. Nuh Dis Selassie I, the crown was true. Stand for the people in all he do. Nuh Dis Selassie I, let the people know. Honor the works and let it show. Some try to twist it, some try to hide, but truth can't bury, it's always rise. The Bible and history join as one. From David's root, the lineage run. A full time, we for overstand. The strength and the vision he bring to man. A symbol of courage, a light that shine. Mark of the prophets through all time. Nuh Dis Selassie I, respect the name. Lineage of Solomon, history proclaim. Nuh Dis Selassie I, the message is clear. Knowledge and wisdom for all who hear. Nuh Dis Selassie I, the crown was true. Stand for the people in all he do. Nuh Dis Selassie I, let the people know. Honor the works and let it show. At the League of Nations his word was strong, warning the world of the coming wrong. He called for justice, he called for peace, until oppression would find release. Facing the powers, he stood so tall, a king for the people, a voice for all. Through trials Rastafari's stance was clear. His legacy lived from year to year. Nuh Dis Selassie I, respect the name. Lineage of Solomon, history proclaim. Nuh Dis Selassie I, the message is clear. Knowledge and wisdom for all who hear. Nuh Dis Selassie I, the crown was true. Stand for the people in all he do. Nuh Dis Selassie I, let the people know. Honor the works and let it show. So teach the children, tell them the tale. The truth of a king that will never fail. A man of vision, a guiding hand. He left his mark on every land. He did it to inspire, a voice of reason, a flame of fire. Respect the crown and the works he done. The lineage of David still carry on. Nuh Dis Selassie I, respect the name. Lineage of Solomon, history proclaim. Nuh Dis Selassie I, the message is clear. Knowledge and wisdom for all who hear. Nuh Dis Selassie I, the crown was true. Stand for the people in all he do. Nuh Dis Selassie I, let the people know. Honor the works and let it show. So Nuh Dis the king, forever we say. His life and his message still live today. Nuh Dis Selassie I, the truth remain. Respect the crown, respect the name.